So hello student, in earlier video lecture we have studied about how we can represent any image into a mathematical form. How we used to do a image representation in digital image processing. So whenever we used to think about digital image processing, each time we have to capture the image. We have to, after capturing that image, we have to convert it into another form. Further, we have to process that image into a different form. Maybe we have to compress that image. Maybe we have to enhance that image. Multiple things is going to happen with that image. And as we know, in a video lecture, we have discussed about the formats of an image, that is grayscale image, binary image, and RGB image. So every image first need to undergo through a conversation. Conversation in the sense, whenever any image sensor, for example, cameras or any devices which will capture the image, need to get converted into a different form. Okay, so consider that any image sensor is there, and image sensor is capturing that image. That image is in the form of analog signal. So first we have to convert that image into a digital form, and for that we need a digitizer. So what is the meaning of a digitizer? Ultimately, digitizer is a combo of two things, that is sampling and quantization. We have understand sampling in your analog communication and digital communication, where we use a sampling theorem. Okay, we used to sample any signal. So same principle is there inside your digital image processing. Here what we have to do, whenever we used to acquire any image from an image sensor, we first have to process a sampling on that. After sampling, we have to process a quantization process on that, and ultimately by doing this process, we are going to convert your analog image into a digital form. So what it means, whenever we want to convert any analog image into a digital form, we need a digitizer, or we have to perform a sampling and a quantization on that image. So statements say that to convert any analog image into a digital image, we need to convert the continuous sense data into a digital form. Continuous sense data is need to convert it into a digital form. For that, very important two component is necessary there to convert a continuous signal into a digital form. For that, we use a sampling and quantization. So what is the meaning of sampling? Sampling is nothing but the digitization of the coordinate. Whatever the coordinate is what there, we are going to digitizing that coordinate value, and that process is called as a sampling. Next we have a quantization. What is the meaning of quantization? Digitizing the amplitude value. Whatever the amplitude value of that pixel is there, we have to digitize that value. Slowly we are going to understand by using this graph, but statement is what we have to understand first. To convert a continuous image function f of x comma y into a digital form, have to sample the function in both coordinates and amplitude. We have to sample it on a coordinate value also and amplitude value also. Okay, so how we used to sample the data? For that, we have this block, this digitizer block diagram is there. We always use a digitizer to convert any analog image into a digital one. So inside this block diagram, we have two components very important, that is sampling and quantization section. So analog image is what we provided to a sampling section. According to the coordinates of and according to the continuous sampling of that signal, it is going to sample according to the coordinate arrangement. And after that, we are going to digitize the amplitude values of that input signal, and we are going to process the quantization here. Okay, and ultimate result is what going to be the digital image. Okay, how we used to do? Think about any image. If we are zooming some image, we know that inside that image we have multiple pixels there, and each pixel have a different intensity. But how any image is going to be there? Maybe it is a rectangular image, maybe it is a circular image, but on each ground we have a pixel, square pixels are there. Okay, so first, as we know, any two-dimensional image is a function of f of xy. In the sense, we have two coordinates there, x coordinate and y coordinate. On x coordinate and y coordinate, we first have to convert it into a coordinate value. Okay, so here we have converted that image into a coordinate value. So we have arranged each coordinate on x-axis and y-axis. This process of arranging the input sampled image or input sample signal into a coordinate value is nothing but called as a sampling. Now we just does a sampling, but sampling is related with the coordinate values x coordinate and y coordinate. What about the remaining pixels inside that coordinates? Okay, as we know, inside the image, maybe they are considering a grayscale image. So in grayscale image, each pixel have its different intensity. So we have to arrange each pixel according to its intensity value. So that representation is there in quantization section. In this quantization section, we first does a sampling where on x-axis and y-axis we arrange the coordinate. Now each coordinate have a different pixel values. There is what we have arranged here, and inside that coordinate we have mentioned the pixel intensity, that is 2, 8, 14, 9 and 6. Okay, so this is nothing but the pixel intensity, and these are the coordinate is what we have learned in earlier video lecture. How to arrange, how to represent the image in a mathematical form. Okay, so pixel coordinate is what given 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 is what the coordinates and its pixel coordinate value. Okay, on that pixel coordinate value we have a unique pixel intensity is what we have arranged here, and we have ultimately converted a continuous image f of x function into a digital image by using digitizer, where we have processed two basic techniques there, sampling and quantization. So combination of the sampling and quantization is ultimately called as a digitization process, and digitization process is used to convert any analog image into a digital one. Thank you for watching this video. In next video we are going